Hey guys, this is Hero from Peugeot Lifestyle, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a battery from a Peugeot RCZ. Hey guys, so as I was editing this video, I've noticed that I've filmed most of the content in portrait mode, and I really apologize for that one, and I'm gonna try my best not to make the same mistakes again. First off, we're going to look at the location of the battery. The battery would be located right here, right next to the engine, which is relatively easy to find. But as you can see, it looks a little bit more complicated than your usual cars. As you can see that the battery is actually hidden away inside this battery case, which makes it a little bit more complicated than just removing it with some wrenches. A little side note, you can't actually use the Peugeot RCZ to be a donor for jump starting another one's car. As you can see, you can only access the positive terminal of the battery, while the negative terminal of the battery would be way back in there, which is really inaccessible with this whole case on. Right now we got the fuse removed. And to remove this, it actually has this fuse cover a while earlier. You just pop this out with these two tabs here, and you just pull it out like that. And I actually removed this intake cover right here, just so I could access this side right here, where this was actually bolted on with this, and the other one with this one going to here. And then they were both held by just your simple 13mm bolts, and just have to remove those. Yes, you just have to remove those bolts and just disengage these two wires, and then you just also disconnect this, which is actually connected right here, and then pull this out. Actually, it has two tabs again, one right here and the second one would be right here, which would be located here and there respectively. You just have to use a flathead screwdriver, and you can just pull the tabs off, and now you got the fuse. Now you got this fuse removed. Alright, next we disconnect this one. This looks like a tricky one at first, but actually you just have to pull this tab with force there, and it disengages. And now we have the battery. Now all we have to do is remove this battery cover, which is actually a bit of a pain, as I'm told. Just have to lift it. There we go. There we go. Just have to lift it up, and then just pull it out away, because it's actually held by, as you can see here, it's actually held by some clips right there. Right, so there's supposed to be some clips down there, which is probably, can't see that one. There, we can see this one here. Yep. So there's just clips right there. Make sure you pull it out in that direction. Just pull it up once, and then once you hear it disengage, you just have to pull it forward. Towards you. Because apparently the instructions for removing the battery cover isn't included in the manual. So I hope that helps a lot of you guys out. Now the last thing that you're going to do is to actually remove this. Well, it's the negative terminal. You just have to remove this. It takes a 10mm. It's just a 10mm bolt. Just remove that, and then this little, it's a pain in the ass actually. It's 10mm bolt all the way down holding the battery in place. Well, if you have the right tools, you're going to be able to get to that easily. If not, you might actually have to take off this whole intake pipe first. Yeah, it's a bit of a hassle. Alright, once you have this loosened up enough, so, well, you can take it all the way, but you can just loosen it up, so you can just pull the battery out of here, because it's actually held on to this side as well. But once you loosen this up, you can just, you know, just wiggle it a little bit and you'll be able to pull it out. So that's what it looks like. This is the whole battery case. Actually, you can remove the battery case with 2 more bolts there if you want to, you know, just clean the battery case, or if you have to work on something underneath the battery. So you just pull the battery out and that's it. I hope this has been helpful to you guys, and hope to catch you soon.